Hey Glamours, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever YouTube video and of course this is so nerve-wracking, and the journey that I have been on to start this YouTube channel has been ridiculous. But you only live once, so here I am. For today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Jeffree Cosmetics Cremated Palette. And of course, there is so much controversy about the palette, but we cannot deny that his formula is amazing. In this video, I'm going to give you my tips, tricks, and techniques in creating this simple but everyday makeup glam look. Of course, before we begin, make sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below any thoughts that you may have, hit that subscribe button. Let's begin. Alright guys, so I have one side done. The other side, all I have on it is the NARS Tinted Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. So the first color I'm going to dip into is Life Insurance. And I'm going to place that all over my crease. Use this eye as a kind of like an example so you know what it is and how far you're going and how deep you want it to look. So these shadows honestly are going on great. They're blending great. We just have to give it some love because sometimes grays can take a while to blend in and you want to try to pack on as much as possible. So next I'm going to go into Eulogy, and that's a darker gray, and I'm going to put that on the outermost edge just to give it some definition. So I'm going to pop it right here. And these colors kind of look the same, but when they apply to the eye, you can definitely tell that they're not. They're very different. Some of them a little darker, some of them a little lighter, but they look awesome. I'm gonna dip into Embalms. Take also a little bit of Goodbye because they look kind of the same, but Goodbye has a little more of the shimmer. And I'm just gonna buff out the outside so that way I don't have any harsh lines. And try to bring it up to the top, like tip of the brow here. And just continue to use those circular motions. Also, when you're bringing it down here, you don't want to continue to go like this. You kind of want to bring it up. So I'm going to continue to blend upwards like this. Kind of to the edge of my brow. I don't want to really pass it or bring it out this way. I want to just kind of bring it up. Next, I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going to take more of the NARS eyeshadow base. And I'm going to take a M224. So now I'm going to take the M166 and I'm going to dip into Embalms and Goodbye one more time, and I'm just going to dab that on here. Alright guys, now I'm going to grab Hearse. So I'm going to take a smaller pointer brush just because I want to darken up the outer corners. So I'm going to put Hearse right here, blends it out. Then I'm going to go back in and kind of buff out those edges so they're not so sharp. That looks awesome. Next, I'm going to do the inner corner here and the brow bone. I'm going to dip into Diamond's Ashes. And this is definitely a beautiful color. And I'm just going to pack that on here. Right there in the inner corner, and I'm also going to put it on the brow bone, kind of making it shine. You see that? Woo! Ciao. That's beautiful. For the under eye, I'm going to grab a little bit of Mortuary Beautician. Wow. And I'm going to grab a little bit of Hearse as well. So I'm going to kind of dip into both. I'm going to put that here. And I'm not going to pull it all the way to the center because I want this section right here to pop. So I'm going to stop midway. Then I'm going to take a more precise brush. I'm going to dip into Depth Below, and I'm going to bring that out there. See that? Right there in that section. Just so it's not completely dark and we still have some light. For the waterline, I have the Fenty Beauty Bad Bride. And I'm just going to place that right in here. I also have the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. And I'm just going to dab a little bit in the corner. Really just like that. So that way when I put my eyelash on, it looks like it's connected. Although it's not connected. But it will give it that illusion. I'm gonna take my Lily lashes, and this is in the style Miami, and these lashes are really long for me, so I'm going to cut some pieces off like it's poking you, because that's the worst feeling in the world, when you feel like an eyelash looks beautiful but then it's poking you and you don't want to take it off, but you're like dying to really take it off. I'm gonna put my lash glue, and this is also from Lily Lashes. What am I doing? Like, I'm going crazy. Completely forgot to put mascara. And I'm going to put these on right there. Alright guys, so that completes my eye look. And now I'm just going to do my face. Alright guys, so here's the final look. Now overall, I think expectations were set. Of course, it's Jeffree Star Cosmetics and he always has amazing products. So of course, the Cremated palette was no exception. I think the product, the palette was amazing. I think all colors blended out beautifully together. And I think that the outcome was gorgeous, gorgeous. If you've gotten this far, thank you so much for watching. If you like me, if you like my simple but glam makeup look, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, share with me what do you think. Any other products or makeup looks that you want me to try out, make sure to leave that comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that way you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. Bye, Glamours.